Ladies and gentlemen, 2020 continues to get 2020er. And Garrett Harvey is on the scene to let us know we have a fairly decent earthquake in Southern California this evening. And it is a 5.1 originally reported around the border of Mexico and California. And it seems kind of close to Nevada. Plus, super cool industrial engineer Eris is letting us know we have a coronal mass ejection that has been observed. And so everybody know that when the sun acts weird, earth weather acts weird, people kind of lose their minds. And yeah, sometimes you can definitely get corresponding earthquakes. And so with all of the planets in our solar system on the exact same side of the sun, giving us no balance, and Jupiter and Saturn leading up to a December 21st conjunction next to Pluto, who is not a planet, but is it like a little dark neutron star, or is it something else? Is it like a giant space comet? Nobody knows. Pluto's weird, bro. Pluto's weird. Like, with all this is how I asked Leo King, and I tried to tell y'all we were looking for kind of a plague this year, and hey, guess what? One showed up. Although some people don't believe in it, but that is not what this video is about. And then on top of that, here at THORnews, every single month, every time Earth has a direct conjunction with Eris, which is the planet that got Pluto demoted, and before Pluto got demoted, they named Eris the 10th planet because they thought it was much bigger than Pluto, and then they changed their mind, which is weird, and then they just stopped talking about it altogether. Yeah, we've noticed anytime you get an Eris alignment, you will get some large earthquakes and definitely major windstorms. And so the Earth-Eris alignment happens on the 17th of October, and you combine that with all the pressure and stress from orbital angular momentum from all the planets on the same side and the two biggest planets in our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, so closely combining that we are definitely absolutely on full earthquake and volcano eruption alert for 2020. How weird is Eris? They took one picture of it in 2006 with the Hubble, and it's got Eris and then its moon. And then you know what happened? Then they never took another picture of it again, even though Eris continues to get closer to Earth every single day. So it's had like 14 years to get closer to Earth to take a better picture of the Hubble. But for some reason, NASA doesn't take another picture of it and doesn't talk about it. So combined with that, an interesting swarm of earthquakes in Southern California this evening. And he has no clue what's going on over near Westmoreland. Plus, the west coast of the USA looking like it has had a bunch of volcano eruptions over the last few weeks, but it's not. Asterisk. It's wildfires, even though I was saying the west coast will be on fire since 2017 and 2020, and now it is. I don't know, things are just crazy, dude. Do you ever get the feeling that government doesn't tell us everything? Shaky afternoon in Southern California, for sure. And then I'm extra edgy because there was a YouTuber called Grodix. He used to do these weird, kind of cool conspiracy prophecy videos, and he would always tie them into the Salton Sea, which is like this weird man-made lake thing that they made in Southern California, that then all the water turned black, and so all the developments got ruined. It's a really weird place. Anyway, just pull it. Updated map of the Westmoreland earthquake swarm south of the Salton Sea in the context of past seismicity in the Brawley seismic zone, which experiences frequent swarm activity. The largest earthquake is now at 4.9, but the sequence continues. Apologizing for the ugly-looking topo, or whatever that is. So yeah, 2020 is going to continue to get 2020er. Why does that say M5.4? Then you add on top of that solar wind, which has been absolutely rattling Earth's magnetic field, causing some geomagnetic storms. And there's more to a geomagnetic storm than just auroras. Don't forget the squiggles. So just everybody be all buckled up, bro. And then go ahead and throw in Dartaner's incredible, wow, moonbow and aurora last night in Castor, Alberta. It was mind-blowing, absolutely. And so the sun is doing crazy things. The sun is changing. The Earth is changing. The whole solar system is changing. But somehow humanity is still stuck in the past and refuses to work together. But yeah, and as I've said, dude, out of my 2020 predictions, I've always been focused on October possibly being the absolute worst month of the year and that things would be much better in December. So please stay cool and let's try and make it through this together because I think we're going to have a major party in 2022. All right? Oh, yeah. I do a monthly fundraiser every single month because this is my full-time job being your planetary defense commander. And so I got 3.5 days left and only $344 left to raise. So if you'd like to make a contribution to my snail mail, it's T. Lewison, 5430 Birdwood Road, number 416, Houston, Texas, 77096. I got a PayPal, a Venmo, a Cash App, a Patron. Only $344 left to go. And thank you to everybody out in Asteroid Fight Club, including Super Texas Angel, Barbara, Robert, Chris, Christos, Michael, Rachel, Al, Ghost, Graven, Wagon Breath, Deemer, Chaz, Angel, Epiphany, Comes in Threes, and Andrea, the Alchemist. You guys are fantastic, and I appreciate y'all. I love my job, but definitely October is going to be dangerous and wild as 2020 continues to get 2020er. God bless everyone. Stay cool, and let's hang on for a peace on earth. Merry Christmas 2020. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Yeah, peace is my jam. Us getting along and making things better. That's what I'm all about. Having fun. All right. Have a great night. Talk to you soon.